Welcome to my monthly GTA real estate market report update for the month of April 2026. This is Abul, your trusted real estate broker from Royal LePage Certified. Let's start with the good news. Home sales increased on the year-over-year basis in April, while the supply of the listings trended lower. Suggests the overall market conditions in GTA tightened during the first full month of spring. We have experienced an uptick in home buying activity so far this spring. Buyers have taken advantage of more affordable housing market conditions on the back of the lower home prices. Lower home prices and the borrowing cost over the past year have been a catalyst for some home buyers this spring. However, we still have a substantial amount of pent-up demand in the marketplace. More certainty on the trade front and an easing in geopolitical tensions could result in further improvements in market activity. GTA realtors reported 5,946 home sales through 𝒃𝒏 MLS system in April 2026, an increase of 7% compared to last April 2025. 17,000 new listings added in the MLS system, down by 9.3% year-over-year. Sales were up by a greater monthly rate than the new listings, potentially suggesting more competition between buyers in some neighborhoods. The average selling price, approximately $1,051,000, was down by 4.9% compared to the April 2025. Our latest report removing roadblocks makes it clear to improve the housing affordability in Ontario. We must go further. Let's see what's going on in the municipalities, from absorption rate to the HPI. City of Mississauga. The total number of homes available for sale in April, 2,292, and the number of homes sold, 516, with an absorption rate of 22%. We had approximately 4.5 months inventory. I keep saying inventory is going down. Price index HPI of Mississauga is showing an upward trend in all categories of houses. Good for Mississauga residents. City of Brampton. 1,972 homes available for sale and 406 homes got sold, giving us an absorption rate of about 20% with around 5 months inventory, more than March inventory. The Brampton home price index is still under pressure. I think recovery will take a bit longer. Town of Oakville. 254 homes sold and 1,171 homes were available for sale, giving us an absorption rate of 21%, carrying less than 5 months inventory. Oakville HPI is moving towards recovery with an upward trend. Good for Oakville homeowners. Town of Milton. The number of homes available for sale, 548, and number of homes sold was 143, with an absorption rate of 26%. Not bad. Better than the March figures. Milton has 4 months of inventory. Sales and inventory both increased in the month of April. Milton HPI trend is mixed. Townhouses are on the upward trend and detached houses are still struggling. In my opinion, Milton home prices are likely to move towards the recovery soon. Thank you for watching. Follow me for the more updates in the real estate market.